Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make the millet cake. You can make this millet cake in 15 to 20 minutes only. Before I start my recipe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. For the ingredients, we need the ricotta cheese, which is 425 gram, which is 1 pack of the ricotta cheese, and we need around 4 ounce of butter, and which is 1/4 of the big bar of the butter. We also need the powdered milk, which is the double the quantity of the ricotta cheese, and we can measure in the same container. And for the sugar, we need the same quantity of the ricotta cheese. To make a millet cake, you need a microwave ball. The ball should be big enough so that when we make in a microwave, it should not come out when it comes to the boil. So add the butter into the ball and microwave it for 15 seconds so that it melts. Then add the ricotta cheese, spread it out. So I'm going to use the same container as a measuring cup for other ingredients. So for one container of ricotta cheese, we need the same amount of sugar. So I'm adding the sugar in the same ricotta cheese container. Add the equal amount of sugar into the ball. Then we need double the quantity of the dry milk, the powdered milk. So in the same ricotta cheese container, I'm measuring one container. I'm adding into the ball, and now I will measure the second container and add into the ball. So this is the second container. Now mix all the ingredients together. To make an easy mix, you can also microwave for 50 seconds, then the powdered milk will melt and you can mix it well. So in total we need 15 minutes of cooking time for the millet cake. First we will set it for 7.30 minutes, and then this is how we are doing the microwave. In the middle of the time, around 3.36, I just took it out and I mixed the ingredients again. So mix it well and then put it back for another 3 minutes and 36 seconds. After mixing it well, just give 3.36 minutes again. So please note that I didn't stop the microwave and reset the time. I just opened the door, and what the leftover minutes I just continue with that. So when I mentioned that you need to have a big container, because when it's come to the boil, it start boiling up, right? So that's why you need a little bigger bowl. So after the time is up, then I'm mixing back again. Then at the last we will give another 7.37 minutes. So we started, I mentioned that we need 15 minutes, right? So first I did 7.30 minutes. In the middle I mix it up, and then once the time is up, I showed you, then we mix it back again, and then I'm giving another 7.30 minutes. So you need to keep on watching, because the power of your microwave is very important, right? Sometimes the power is so high, it's getting brown fast, and then it's boiling up, and could be possible that it's coming out from the pan. That's why I told you that you need to have a big bowl. So once you set this up, like you can give another time, the balance of that minute. So now you need to see how much brown is your millet cake, right? So when I see this, I see that is a little light brown. So I because my power of my microwave is set like that, right? So That's why I asked you to just do the microwave for 15 minutes. Like, so I am thinking that I like more brown, so I will give another 1 to 2 minutes in the microwave, so that I like little when it's cooked more a little brown. So now you need to set now we need to set miller cake, right? So it should cut in the pieces nicely. So I prepared another pan with a parchment paper on the bottom, and I'm going to lined up nicely on that pan, so I can cut into the pieces nicely. But you can leave in the same bowl as well where you make the miller cake, but the pieces come out is not so good, so that's why I'm just doing this step. So you can spread the miller cake nicely in the baking pan sheet where you with the parchment paper set this up. And from the top I'm also want to flatten this up nicely with the smooth surface. So once you spread your miller cake nicely, take the koli or the small ball and put some desi ghee on there to layer, so that it should not be stick on that bowl. So after that, putting the desi ghee, you can press very lightly on the miller cake, so to set up nicely. And you can also put some pistachios, the cut pistachios, to decorate it. I like pistachios on the top, but my kids like plain, so I'm just putting it the halfway to show you. It's up to you. You want to put the pistachios and you want to keep it a plain. So this is how the miller cake we set this up. You need to leave it at the room temperature, and then you have to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of refrigerate, now it's settled down, and I will show you by cutting the miller cake into the pieces how it turned up. If you set up like with a parchment paper, it comes out very nicely in the pieces. I will show you just now. So cut the miller cake into the small pieces, and this is how it came out. It's so good, and you can make miller cake very easy at home, and it look like that you got it from outside. When you have a guest over, you can make this very fast. So try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. Thanks for watching.